Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, gold ended up making a perfect five waves down. Like I was saying yesterday, I think this whole move down is likely a wave A. Now that we have five waves down, we don't have a breaker structure up yet, so we can't really say 100% that it is over, but it definitely looks like it's over. Five waves of A should end up leading to a correction to the last five waves down. So we have a Fibonacci retracement on the last five waves down. I would expect to see at least a pullback up to one of these mid-range Fibonacci levels. Maybe the 78 to 61 and the 50% would be a pretty likely zone to see some sort of an ABC correction, probably a wave B. This whole move down is likely five waves of A, and then once this wave B is over, we probably will get another five waves down for wave C. I still think that this higher time frame uptrend will continue, but I think we are likely in a bigger pullback right now, maybe like a wave 4 of wave 3 on the higher time frames. So more than likely, we'll probably see a wave A, we'll probably see a wave B, and then we'll probably see another five waves down for a wave C on like the 1 to 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.